Let's talk about procrastination as a creative. It's that thing, like everybody go through that procrastinated state in life. You get me? Where you want to get things done. You want to get things done, but you find some form of excuse not to get it done. And I realize that I've been doing that a lot recently. I should be shooting YouTube videos every Sunday, but for the past couple Sundays, I realized that let me do it the other Sunday. I'm saying to myself, let me do it the other Sunday, let me do it the other Sunday, and then I don't get anything done. I should say that I really hate myself for that, and I realized that it's not easy to be a creative person because it takes a lot of brain power to get things done. You get me? So that's one thing I really hate about being a creative, my procrastinated state. Sometimes it kick in, and sometimes I try to push it aside, try to fight it, but it's very hard because it's not sometimes I just want to just hang out with some of my peeps and just chill and everything, but I realize that I just always want to create stuff, but when I should be creating stuff, I'm procrastinating, I'm doing something else. For example, this YouTube channel, I'm trying to build it in a sense where enough Jamaicans can see that we have quality, we have good sound for YouTube in Jamaica, because I've seen some really shitty videos coming out of Jamaica for YouTube. You get me? But this procrastinated state that I've been in, I'm trying to get out of it. I don't even know if I'm the only one who's going through this procrastinated state. I don't know if anybody else goes through this type of state. But you may say, I try to come outside. You get me? I have to try to get this thing done. It's just that there's a lot going on right now in the world, in Jamaica and everything. So there's a lot going on. So much things just got cancelled. 2020 now got cancelled, but there's just so much things that got cancelled, and so these are the type of interaction that I have to be doing right now. Procrastination is a hell of a thing, It's a hell of a thing, and as a creative, I have to try and fight it. We all have to try and fight it. I'm sure I'm not the only one who goes through the whole what should I create today process, because it's happened to me a lot. Alright, so for October, I will be doing vlogs throughout October. I promised myself that I'll be doing vlogs throughout October. So that means when November and December steps in, yes, I'll be putting out content. I was going to say every Sunday, but I'm not sure if it's possible to put out content every Sunday. But yes, I'll be putting out content every Sunday. I'll try and promise myself that. So, no more procrastination for me. I need to get things done. And I think you should do too. Alright? So, I'm out.